Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video guys I'm gonna tell you how you can delete iOS 18.4 version if you you didn't like the version. Before starting this video, I wanna make it clear for you guys that if you have updated it, so there's no way to go back. But for that there is another method. For this video, just let's get start with the video. So maybe you don't have any storage, so maybe that you want to delete that update. So you have to go to the setting. Once you are there, you have to go to the general. After, you have to click on software update, and once you will see that Apple has released 18.4, which is almost 7 GB. So once you for instance, you have already uh, uh, in process of downloading this iOS version. So let me tell you once again in a clear way that once you have completed updated, for that there's another method. So once you have in this process of downloading, you have to click on iPhone storage. Once you are there, scroll down and you will see show all, and here you can see iOS 18.4. So you have to tap on delete, and once you have deleted, so your downloaded iOS 18.4 will be deleted. So this is the way you can delete version.